This is the web practical question session, set 2 of the questions. I'm going to discuss the second question of the day 2. We'll see the question. In here I have to create the government of the Sri Lanka has decided to vaccinate all the citizens, and these vaccinations are given under the age groups which are in this table. And in order to conduct this program as a full stack web developer, you have to create a small web application to gather details about citizens. You have to collect the following data. I have to collect only first name, last name, gender, NIC and age, but I have to enter the data whether it is the vaccine type for the current age. So I have to calculate it by age. So I created it. I am going to show the answer. So likewise, it is only taking those details, but it is putting the vaccine type in the table when we enter the data. So I'm going to enter a name. Let's say age 33. Let's say register. You can see it is entered, but enter the sign-off form itself. It is for the age group that for the 33 age group, it is sign-off form vaccine. So I'm going to show you the code now. In the code, I use the table format to create the alignments, and I used PHP to create the table in the home page. And the process is simple. It is checking if the fields are empty first, then checking the age. If it is age greater than 60, it will assign a variable called vaccine type VT to Novavax. This is the first one. If it is less than 60, the age, it will check whether if it is greater than 45 or between 60. If in that age type, it will assign the variable VT to AstraZeneca, because it is checking if it is greater than 30 and 18. If the age is not compatible with all those age limits, it will say no need. So when I enter the database, typing the query, I enter the vaccine type at the last. So likewise, it is entering the data into the database. It is searching in here, not in the data collecting part. So that is the whole process, and I used Ajax to send the data from the client side to server side. And that's it for the second question.